let's take a look at one more tense which we can use to talk about past stories. Let's take the sentence from this story, from the example. When he took the photo, Jane and her boyfriend were looking at an owl. Okay, so how many actions do we have here? Yeah, we have two actions. When he took the photo, Jane and her boyfriend were looking at an owl. The second. What are the differences between them? Which action do you think is longer? Yeah, this action is longer. Because they didn't look at it for a second. Yeah, they were looking at it for some time. Let's take a look at the construction. So, Jane and her boyfriend, what can we call it? Of course, we can call it the subject. What about the second place? Were, the past form of be. If it is only Jane, what will we use? Of course, we will use only was. How about this one? Yeah, verb with ing. Okay, positive, negative. Of course, it's a positive sentence. Let's make a negative together. So, for example, they weren't looking. If it's just Jane, let's make a negative. Wasn't. And again, verb, ing. What about a question? You already know when we want to make a question, we put the auxiliary on the second place. Yep. And we will have was, were, then we will have the subject, and again, verb, ing, and a question mark. Okay. So we already decided that we use this tense to indicate a longer action in the past. Let's take a look at the whole sentence. Can we say that this action was, so to say, interrupted by this short action? As if it was stopped for a second or for a moment. We also use it in cases when a short action interrupted, or so to say, stopped a longer one. Again, in the past. Also, we use it for two equally long actions in the past. For example, Jane and her boyfriend were looking at an owl, and the owl was sitting in the tree. Two or more long actions happening in the past. And what do we call this tense? As we have was, were, it is past. As we have verb ing, it is a progressive form or continuous form. So it's past continuous. Let's take a look at the time markers. We already have one here. It is when, also while, and as. Yep, thank you very much.